It is a crime against humanity that I don't have bows in my hair right now. So, coquette. Coquette? Coquette? How to say...
Coquette.
Coquette. Coquette. Coquette. I somehow feel like I'm still gonna say it wrong, but I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. I hope your guys' new year has been good. It's still the beginning of January. Things are exciting, things are fun, things are new. And something I've been seeing going around on TikTok and like really just everywhere is coquette, okay? It's everywhere. The bows, everything, okay? So, I've had many of you in my comment section saying, give me a coquette video, give me a coquette video. So here I am, okay? Today's video is 50 coquette-inspired crochet ideas. Alright, so as always, everything I say will be listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you, okay? So before we get into it, we have 5 categories. We have miscellaneous, bags, decor, clothing, and accessories. So let's go ahead and jump into the accessories category. For the accessories category, we have this really cute like butterfly and photo card cover kind of keychain clip thing. That one's really cute, especially if you want to like add bows to the photo card. Super cute. Really adding ribbon to any of these makes it coquette. So like, but you know what I mean. You can make some bow headphone covers or even just like a long chain and make some bows in cream, in pink, whatever. You can wear them in your hair or add them to bags and tops and things like that to just make things more coquette. You can crochet a scarf. I know the one I'm showing you right here is knit. Okay, I know this, but you can crochet something like this and add those bows I just showed you on the end. Super cute. You could also crochet these thigh highs and then get some ribbon and tie little bows at the top. Super cute. Again, with the ribbon and the lace kind of crocheting, you can make this choker or even this one where you add like a little pendant, right? Like, you know, at the end of it. It's super cute. You can just straight up make like a bow keychain. You can also make this choker, which kind of has like a pink row and then a little white lace row and then a charm. You don't always have to put the charm locket on there, but I think it's kind of cute. I don't know, it adds a little bit to it. You can also make some very simple pink and white bow fingerless gloves or even some kind of some like, what are they called when they bow out like this? They're leg warmers, but I'm like the ones that like bow out at the end. Super cute. And you can add bows to the back like she did here. You can make this bonnet kind of like headband thing. It's Lolita, but it was just giving very coquette, you know, because I feel like Lolita and coquette kind of go together a little bit. I haven't really looked into like Lolita aesthetic, but I'm pretty sure like from what I've seen from Lolita aesthetic, it kind of falls under coquette. And like Lana Del Rey also gets thrown in there. So we're kind of everywhere. But you can also make this really cute butterfly keychain in like pink and white too. But as like a bag charm or even in your car or just like on your keyring. And that is all I have for accessories. So let's jump into the clothing category. Okay, so for clothing, we've got, we have a lot of tops and then like one bottom piece. Okay, so the bottom piece is these really basic, really simple stitched shorts with some bows added to it. Super cute. You can also make this like lacy butterfly crocheted like cardigan kind of. I guess it's a cardigan. That kind of thing just to add on top of whatever you got going on. You can also make this bolero. It's literally just sleeves. But if you add bows to the end, it's coquette. Okay, it's coquette. Also, I went to Disneyland last week and there was a girl like full head to toe like ballerina core. I don't know if ballerina core falls under coquette, but she was just giving like she had, which the only funny part about it was she had these like really big cream leg warmers on like over her boots, which super cute. And then she had like these like really thick tights under a skirt, and like she had like the cream knit off the shoulder sweater and a bow in her hair. It was so cute, but it was pouring rain, so like the bottom 2 inches of her leg warmers were just sopping wet, and they were cream colored, so it was just like they were black and sopping wet from like the asphalt and the dirt on the floor and just being wet. So that was kind of gross, but I loved her outfit, and that also, seeing her in line, inspired me to make this video. So that's when I started putting it all together. But anyway, she was wearing something like this, so it sparked, you know, sparked in me. You can also make this kind of like puff sleeve top, or even this top where they sewed in like silky fabric around the front area to kind of give it that like bunched early like baby doll 90s early 2000s kind of look. And it's super cute. I love when people mix fabric and crochet. Love that. You can make this swan vest, or even this top where it's kind of scrunched. Now, a majority of this top looks like it was made on a knitting machine. So if you have a knitting machine, this one's for you. Make the top part with your knitting machine, and then crochet those little florals on the bottom and crochet some straps, and there you go. You can make this really cute kind of pink lacy cardigan, or this ruffle kind of off the sleeve Estelle top. And then this top that has bows connecting the front, you can do that one. Now this one is very coquette. It's the off the shoulder, like folded over kind of like look at my collarbones look. That's very in with the coquette world, so I definitely crochet that one. That one looks kind of easy to make too. It literally just looks like you're doing like half double crochets in the back loop only for a bunch of rows to make that like rippled effect. So that is all I have for clothing. Our next category is decor. So for decor, I have this really cute sweetheart pillow to toss on a bed or couch or whatever, if you're in an apartment or bedroom. Super cute. Toss it in there with all your other pillows. You can also make these bundle of tulips, or this kind of cupcake to put somewhere. You can make these floral pot holders and coasters. You can find some vintage patterns and make like lacy things to go underneath stuff, like underneath candles or underneath your journal or on your bedside table, like thin yarn lacy. Okay, you can make this cake tissue box cover. I've made this cake tissue box cover. It's sitting over there on my shelf. I love this pattern. It's a video on YouTube. 10 out of 10, beginner friendly. You can make it. You can make these cute little like placemats, coasters with little bows on it. You can make these wall hangings, super cute. And you can even do a little coquette candle cover for candles that just aren't giving the right vibe. You know what I mean? Make it fit your aesthetic. That's all I have for decor, so let's jump into the bag category. Okay, I love the bag category for this one. You can make a little tulip makeup bag, or even this like bigger tulip crossbody bag, or this little like, it could be a Kindle cover, could be a wallet, could be makeup holder, makeup bag with a little bow on it. Again, add some ribbons, add some silky bows, okay? You can make this tote and weave in kind of like corset style, big fat thick ribbons on it like this. Adorable. You can use this pattern to make a bag that the strap is a bow, so like you tie it together. Okay, super cute. You can make this kind of like sweetheart looking book cover, or even this bag made with ribbons and obviously like a bobble stitch all the way around. It's just giving like soft and pink and coquette. So you can also make these book covers and just get like a sweetheart granny square, or just like a normal granny square and pink and creams, and make some book covers. And then here's another one that's similar to the one I showed you earlier, where you kind of do like a corset style crisscross silky bow on the front of it. Super cute. And then this one's more of like a simple bag, and then you just add a bow to the top of it. Super cute. That is all I have for bags, so let's jump into our final category, which is miscellaneous. Everything that didn't fit in the other ones. So we've got this really cute soft brown teddy bear and with a little pink collar bow. You can also make this very cute white soft bear with like a little pink bonnet on it, okay? You can make a cream bunny with really big ears and bows, or even just like this pink bunny, super cute. And then I have 3 granny squares for you. So those bags I showed you earlier that were made out of like granny squares, use these granny squares and it'll make it coquette, okay? You can use this flower bud granny square, this butterfly granny square, and this obviously a bow granny square. And that is all I have for you when it comes to 50 coquette crochet ideas. I hope you guys are able to find something to make. If there's a video you want me to do that I haven't done, please comment it down below. And as always, everything I said is linked in the description box below. In the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content and you want to see more videos from me. I'm planning on doing more crochet with me's coming up this month. Last year I did a lot of idea videos, which are great, okay? They're great. People love them, but I've gotten a lot of feedback saying, hey girl, like, can we see you crochet? So I did post a crochet with me, like a massive crochet with me this week, earlier this week, I think on Tuesday, but I'm gonna start doing some more, like maybe weekly or like bi-weekly crochet with me's to show you what I've been making, because like in between these crochet idea videos I'm crocheting a lot. Like I'm on a handbrake right now because my hands literally froze up last night because they were like cramping, but I will start filming me crocheting too so you can see that. Other than that though, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.